Hello, everyone. How are you? Well, I have been having a lot of fun during the summer, so I haven't been recording too many videos to share with you, but now it's officially fall, and I'm back. My sharing was around the Old Testament book of Leviticus. Now, I want to flip the page to the book of Numbers, and let us take up chapter 1 today. Now, Numbers always give people a kind of boring feel. It started off with a call to take census. Now, census is very important to any country. Remember, Canada was doing or taking a census early this year. Now, the data and the statistics that we collected uh, actually gives the country, the leaders, some ideas in how to lead the country, how to, do different policies for the country. Now, in the book of Numbers, Moses and Aaron was told to number all men 20 years or above. For what purpose? For the purpose of serving in the army. Now, I just want to quickly share with you a few points from this chapter 1 of the book of Numbers. Now, the first thing I want to mention is that God told Moses in verse 4, he said, one man from each tribe is to help you. Now, I'm a pastor, serving brothers and sisters in the church. But you know what? A pastor is not a superman. I can't do it all. I need a lot of help from brothers and sisters to accomplish the vision God has casted onto me as well as in the church. So in this pandemic era, I would do one thing. I would actually put up a sign. This sign, help wanted. I need a lot of help. Secondly, the number counted was actually totaled at 603,550, as verse 46 told us. Or you may be able to do math yourself, and you probably, you will come up with the same number. Now, notice though, this is actually only men who was 20 years of age and above were counted. And also, the people from the tribe of Levi was not included. So if we take each family being a 4-people family, say for example, which in my opinion is actually a little bit of an underestimation, but regardless, that would end up with at least 2.4 million people within this entire Israelite group of people. Remember 400 years ago, when Jacob entered Egypt, according to Exodus chapter 1 verse 5, they only had 70 people. And look at God's blessing. It is just unimaginable, right? Along the way from Egypt to the promised land, the Israelites had a lot of complaints made to Moses and to God. They saw problems after problems after problems instead of all these blessings. Now today, I want to encourage each one of us to pay more attention at the blessings that God had given each one of us rather than the problems or challenges that we are facing each day. Just pay attention at the blessing is number 2 things I want to share with you. And thirdly, everyone has their role in this community. Now, this census is to number the people to be able to serve in the army. Levites are to take care of the tabernacle and all its furnishings. When the Israelites moved, the Levites are to take the tabernacle down, and also later on, they are responsible for setting it up again. A lot of times, a small group of people, say 20% maybe in the church, serve the rest of the group, 80% of the people in the church. Now, once there was a young person in the church rightly observed this and asked me, how come it's always those few people serving? Indeed, how come it is always those few people serving and working on everything? Now, God bless you if you are the one who are actually serving the rest. I would challenge you to not only serve, but to start mentoring and training up some next generation, young generation leaders, so that they could serve in the very near future. Now, on the other hand, if you are not yet serving, I would encourage you to start serving, however small or big the task is. Everyone here, everyone has a role. Well, so much for now. I'll see you next time. God bless you.